OIC sir, you want to add anything?
Speaker, sir. So from last 2 days, we have been discussing the same issue, sir. So the first issue is, sir, all the opposition parties have requested through you to the government to place the files in the chambers, sir. And now also all the political parties are requesting you the same through you to the government, sir. Sir, all the opposition wants a discussion, the entire House wants a discussion on this issue, sir. Sir, but my query to you is that, sir, I would like to know, sir, you had asked to give the papers, sir, and the papers were given by Devendra Gaur Sahab. Whether it was authentic or not, whether it was right or wrong, signed or unsigned, sir, it was given, sir. And after that, sir, in the same evening, all the political parties, I think, have received a letter from your side stating that the documents given by Mr. Devendra Gaur Sahab has been forwarded to the government. You had called for an explanation or in that regard, sir. So now, when we say we want to have a discussion, sir, first, the request of placing the files was not agreed upon. Second, when you have called for an explanation, sir, I would like to know, sir, have you withdrawn that explanation, sir, or that a reply has been received by you? So if we want to have a debate, sir, we want to have a debate, sir. Let that reply come and then we can have a debate, sir.
See, Mr. OIC, now to set the record straight, yes, yeah, please. Yes, now to set the record straight, you see, since morning, I've been abundantly making it very clear. Probably in the din maybe you might have not heard it. Since morning, Pruddu nunchi nenu ide cheptu vachanu. You wanted the files. I said via media, the government, I told them to give the clarification. Clarification aina tarvata, meeru avsaram anukunte, appudu meer charcha gaani, inkedana gaani, ee issue paina meer take up cheyochu ane maata cheppanu. But what happened was, the suggestion given by the chair as a via media solution was not agreed upon by all of you. So where does the matter stand? Once it was not agreed, when the chair, in my best of my efforts, I've tried to put the House into order by trying to find a solution. Now when it was not agreed by you, I have decided, the government also came forward, they said they will have a discussion in the House. I said, let the House discuss the whole matter now. When you have not agreed for a via media solution, you wanted a discussion. I said we will have a discussion in the House. Let the whole matter be discussed threadbare in the House. Whatever objections you have, whatever points you have, you can definitely take it up in the form of a discussion. I am allowing a discussion. I have not withdrawn the discussion. I have been abundantly making it very clear that the matter would be discussed threadbare in the House. Now the subject is before the House, the matter is before the House would discuss the matter. In my efforts, I have put in my efforts, but unfortunately, I did not get what I thought I could get in the form of cooperation from the honorable members, because you have your own compulsions and I will not get into that. But since the matter was not agreed upon in my chambers, I have decided, and the government has come forward to have a discussion in the House itself. So the matter is before the House will debate the subject and the House will find a solution to it.